Santa Claus is traveling all across central Indiana, making sure he knows what every child wants for Christmas. Today, he landed his sleigh at the Indianapolis International Airport. Jolly St. Nick practiced his landing run ahead of the big night. Fire trucks helped him to the tarmac, where there were 1,000 kids waiting to share their holiday wish lists.
I want to ask him for a Rapunzel bow and arrow.
Rapunzel bow and arrow.
Oh, wow.
What about you? What are you going to ask Santa for?
Sand.
Sand. She's going to ask Santa for sand.
Yep, she said sand. Hey, I could use a beach too, right, Kelly? Along with a photo, by the way, the children got to decorate cookies and create Christmas ornaments.